I didn't see that, sir.
Man, yeah, you saw what you wanted to see. You saw a mother with tattoos. Why would I be holding the gun like this right here? And who? Okay. Man, you saw what you wanted to see. Okay.
At a Circle K gas station in Alabama, a routine stop for gas turned into a tense confrontation when a police officer mistook a man's gesture with a gas pump nozzle for brandishing a firearm. The officer's assumption that the man was holding a gun was based solely on a fleeting observation from a passing vehicle without clear evidence of criminal activity. The man was simply signaling to activate the pump, yet faced immediate escalation. This hasty judgment reflects a broader issue where officers act on incomplete information, prioritizing suspicion over reason, and disproportionately targeting individuals based on appearance or context, as the man himself noted, accusing the officer of profiling due to his tattoos.
What do you have in your hand? Show me your hands. Okay. Stay in the car. Okay, turn around. Place your hands behind your back. What are you doing?
I'm filling up gas can.
You understand you're holding it like this, like it's a pistol, right?
No, I was showing her to cut the pump on.
Okay, but that's not what it looks like to the motoring public on the roadway.
I was just showing her the thing to let her know to get the gas.
Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I turn around?
Yeah, that's fine.
Dang,
Alright. But you understand you're holding it like this and it looks like a handgun, right?
No, I'm trying to let her know to pump the gas, bro.
Okay.
Why you, what the fuck? You just pulled a gun out on me.
Yeah, I'm 10-4. Sorry, there's an individual who had something that looked like a gun in his hand. Got out working through it. Yeah, I'll be on telephone.
Wow. I'm gonna get your bag. You know I'm gonna get a lawsuit on you.
Okay.
Showing her later.
That's it. I've got a 4.9 in my mind.
Look at this shit. Look, let me tell you what this motherfucker just did. I'm getting it. Man, I'm finna lawsuit the hell out there.
521-775-87.
Man, that man just got out of pull the gun on me. The police did. Yeah. Look, when I held up the thing to let them know I needed to pump the gas.
521-775-87-42.
Put your hands in there. Put your hands behind the back.
Yeah, what? He did. I'm sure there's cameras.
Mr. Rupp.
I ain't got nothing to say to you, bro. I ain't did shit and I ain't been detained. I want to go. I don't got nothing to say to you. You know what you did. I don't got no rap.
So wrong.
Well, it looks like he's holding a gun.
Man, that don't look like no gun when you see this bitch right here swinging.
I didn't see that, sir.
Man, yeah, you saw what you wanted to see. You saw a motherfucker with tattoos. Why would I be holding the gun like this right here? And who? Okay. Man, you saw what you wanted to see. Okay. You profiling motherfucker. Hey, I want your badge number though. I need all that.
It's 385. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, what happened?
So I'm driving down the road and he's got something black in his hand and he's moving it like it's a pistol. So I pulled in to investigate what was going on. That's all it was.
Oh yeah, because the pump wasn't, his pump wasn't on.
Hey, bro.
And he was signaling me that the pump wasn't.
I'm a Christian police officer in Alabama. You guys.
Okay. Yeah. Just the guy had something in his hand that looked like a gun, and I was like, "What are we doing?"
Yeah, I noticed some that's weird coming up.
Okay.
Yeah,
so you saw him with the thing in his hand?
I saw him with the gas pump in his hand. Yeah.
Yeah, his gas pump, his pump wasn't working, and he was signaling me that the pump, the gas wasn't on the pump.
Is he causing a problem at y'all's store?
No, he come in here every day faithfully after work. He come in here to get gas
That's
and cigarettes every day. No cause nothing.
Hey, I don't want to hold the gas pump again. You'll start the gas over fast.
Yes, I will.
Hey, what's your name? Lawler.
You'll sign the statement, you'll get kept a picture of everything he did. I just said I had it done.
Hold on, now I'm gonna stop.
Can I just get your name? Yeah.
Jake.
J-A-K.
Yeah.
You
Award it.
How do you spell it?
A-U-W.
A-U-W.
U-W. E-R-D-A.
E-R-D-A.
Yeah.
And phone number.
Just say a witness thing.
Okay, I'm gonna have to put his 936.
And you work for
back
who?
I'm Pritchard Police Department.
Pritchard in Alabama.
Yeah.
P-R-I-T-C-H-A-R-D.
Yeah.
Okay.
You spelled it better than some of the locals we got.
Yeah, so what did you see when you pulled in?
Come on, baby.
He was just holding this gas pump up like this. I don't know what he had in his hand. He was just kind of raising it up. I don't know if he was trying to straighten it out or what.
Okay.
Can you see my law enforcement ID? I know a lot of people talk about scared about that.
I appreciate it. All right, you have a great day.
No problem. You're safe out there, all right?
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah,
you for
you
your
just
service.
told me that the gas wasn't on the pump, and I thought it was on the pump. I seen him do that, and I was like, oh, his gas not on there. So that's why he was holding it up. He was signaling me.
Because he was holding, it wasn't the gas nozzle, he was holding something else up.
Oh, when I seen him, he was holding the gas pump. He was signaling.
The part with the hose.
Yeah.
When I saw him, he didn't have the thing with the hose. He had something else,
Oh.
which is all it was.
Oh, okay. Because I'm like,
Yeah.
wait a minute, what's going on with Trent? Because he come in here every day. He's very friendly. He's respectful.
Okay.
And him and his wife come every day.
Okay.
Monday through Friday. They stop by here. He get his $15 worth of gas.
Okay.
And his 2 cigarettes.
Okay.
And he roll on out.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I was like, oh my gosh, what's going on out there? He just left out of the store.
Yeah, no, what I saw when I was driving down the road, you know what I mean? So,
Right.
I just want to make sure I weren't getting held up or
Yeah,
something.
Right, and I thank you for being
Yeah,
on the
that's all it
lookout,
was.
Because we get some crazy people. I get crazy people through here,
Yeah.
so I'm glad y'all do be alert.
Absolutely. You have a great
I be up
day.
in here, honey, some days, all night by myself.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm glad that y'all be alert. But yeah, he's really kind. I'm sorry.
How do you spell your S-H?
Shanika. Thank you, love.
No problem.
In the last name?
Crittenden, Crittenden.
C-R-I-T-T.
E-N. D as in dog, E-N.
And your date of birth.
5/16/81.
And that works for me. Oh, good phone number.
334-714-4280.
714-4280. Okay, I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Why my name had to get put down?
Just they like us to just document it.
Oh, okay.
That I made contact with the clerk. Everything's
Okay,
fine. Yeah,
that's fine.
that's all.
I ain't got no warrants in that name.
All right.
Good.
Hey man, you gotta stop profiling.
Can you come
ain't
talk to
even
me for a second?
apologize,
Can you
man.
come talk to me for a second?
No, I really don't want to, for real.
Yeah.
But you know what you did, and you know you dead ass wrong. You know I ain't had no fucking gun. After him.
The incident left the man feeling targeted and humiliated, threatening legal action for what he perceived as unjust treatment. The Alabama Peace Officers Standards and Training Commission mandates that officers act with impartiality and respect, as outlined in its Code of Ethics, which requires law enforcement to perform their duties with integrity. Yet the officer's refusal to fully acknowledge the misunderstanding, even after the clerk vouched for the man's daily routine and harmless behavior, suggests a lack of accountability. The store clerk's testimony, "He come in here every day faithfully after work. He don't cause nothing," reveals the human cost of such encounters, where community members are alienated by overzealous policing. This case exemplifies how unchecked authority can fracture community trust, demanding reforms like better training and stricter oversight to prevent abuses of power.